Hey guys, this is Monster Jam Top Dog, and this is the field trucks for Series 1474. Here we go. Shitty Sweat Sports, you're in Sudden Impact. I'm a Gravedigger. The Chocolate Drive, you're in Massimo Dalmatian. Jackson Davis, you're in Racing Stripes and King James TV, and you're in Crush Station. The rest of the trucks you can choose from: Prowler, Rage, Neon Blue Thunder, Mastamot, Silver Series Max D, US Air Force Afterburner, Gravedigger Fire, Mastamot Rottweiler, Gear Son of a Digger, Thrasher, Black Stallion, Silver Series Dragon, Cactus Curse, a Toro Loco, Zombie, Brutus, The Mystery Machine, Neon, Sparkle Smash, Iron Outlaw, Surf Zombie, Georgia, Jester, Wonder Woman, and Michigan Ice Monster. That's it. See you guys later. Bye.